Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through these two different websites, which is ContentStudio and the other one, which is Later. They are both a award-winning influence agency service for all the top world brands, and they all provide a wide range of services. And back to the ContentStudio, it is the easiest way to manage and grow your social media channel using their inbuilt features for your social media channel. So choosing the right social media management tools could feel like trying to pick a winning lottery ticket. So frankly, in this video, I'm going to analyze few things about these two websites. I'm going to give some reviews about these two websites, which is ContentStudio, then followed by Twitter. So I'm just going to review the two websites here. So talking about the ContentStudio, ContentStudio is a website that helps you manage your social media platform and stay organized and get more done in less minutes. It's they're simple yet powered all-in-one social media tools for agencies, brands, and other marketers. And they also provide a wide range of key features. For example, they offer the content distributory, so offer a social inbox, which is also called a social media inbox, and the analysis report, which help them stand out in all their work and how they provide their services to their customer. And talking about the data, which is a simplified social media scheduling platform. They also provide a wide range of services. For example, they offer the wide range of features. For example, the visual content, provide the visual content calendar, hashtag suggestion, and linking bios, which makes it awesome. So let's get started with this. Let's go back to ContentStudio. So ContentStudio has all in one social media command center, which makes it more easier for new users to access and explore their platform. So let's check their product. So one of their key important benefits you can stand to gain from this website is publish. This is a planned scheduled content with ease. Also get AI assistance, which is AI generated caption, image, and more. Also get access to this as well, which is analyst, which is measure and report social media KPIs, the engage, which supports the customer's social media unified inbox, and discovered, which is find more portraits trending content for you. And here's the top features of this website. This is what you start to get on the platform, and the top features of this website, which is also the most important and the benefit features you start to get as a user of this website is you get access to a workspace, a calendar planner, a bulk scheduling, then also get access to the media library, the profile workflow, the client management, the RSS feed reader. Then you also get access to competitor analysis, the automation, which is the robots, then white label. Then you also have other features which is listed on their website. For example, which is this master social media with advanced features. Just the arsenal of features from the ContentStudio to effectively manage a wide array of social media work. Then under the publishing, you get access to social media publishing and scheduling, create your schedule and manage your social media posts, craft content, set optimal publishing times, and automate posting across all your accounts from one central hub, which is on ContentStudio, which is only all of this is possible and accessible on ContentStudio. Then also get access to this, which is the smart scheduling, which is set up your content viewing, then once and watch the post published at the peak in engagement moment. Also seamless publishing, to get access to content and categorization and content planning. So already you can start publishing with them. Then under planner, gain access to social media content calendar, which help you with your live post review, your versatile planning, your media library, and your shareable calendar. Then gain access to the AI writer, which is generate social media content times 10 faster with AI, which is awesome. So what does this mean? Here again, I'm the AI for caption by hashtag genius, the up to append emojis, and the AI image creator, which makes it, which is okay. So back to the pricing list for this website, which is the ContentStudio. They also offer three consecutive premium plan, which is the standard, the advanced, and the most popular. So we have the monthly subscription, then we have the yearly subscription. So if you want to pay monthly subscription, then that's $29 month, and in a year you start to pay about 348 bills annually. That's the calculation. If you want to pay for advance, which is monthly, then pay about $69 a month. Then around the total accumulation is $828 bills annually. Then for the most popular, which is per month, you simply pay $139. Then the accumulated price for a year bills is $1,668. Then they also come with different features for each plan. So each plan, lower the plan, limited with having access to their services, and under the most popular, then that means you have access to all the key features of the website that can make you more effective and more producing. So back to the data, which is award-winning influencer agency service for world brand. So here are quick important things you need to know about data is all about visual planning, image and a drag and drop calendar for the social media platform. We also offer the drag and drop scheduling calendar or drag and drop calendar for your social media, which makes it awesome. And here are most important key benefit is start again on this website, which is the picture, then the linking bio. It is stated in their product list, I guess. Is it on their product list? Right about it, which is the influencers marketing, then the social media movement, social listening, then the link bio. The link bio turns your Instagram feed into a clickable landing page, which makes it more easier and awesome to use. It's awesome. Then you also gain access to these services from them as well, which is a greater discovery payment, content amplification, then campaign reports and ROI. Then here's the resources. Okay, let's check the pricing plan for this data. If it's a pricing plan for influencer marketing, then social media management. So let's scroll down the video and see something like that. Okay. So continue. Right, influencer marketing. Now here is the price plan for the influencer marketing, which is find the right influencer marketing plan for your business. So if it is for the platform, price is not stated, but there are no drop the plan. So for it to know the exact payment plan, you have to get back to the customer care services for that. Just get back to the support. Then here's the customer services, the website name, yes, services. But before you can get access to the customer services, you have to create an account. So just get started how to create an account, your Gmail, your password, your company name, or your brand name, and you are good to go. And that's it.